Christina from Curry Sutra, making a quick stir fry here. I just put some garlic, some red onion, now I'm adding my carrots. You want to make sure that your wok is super hot and use a neutral oil like vegetable oil. It doesn't take very long to make a stir fry if you have a nice wok. Okay, and then I air fried some tofu beforehand. I put some garlic powder, salt, and some some white pepper. And now I'm going to add my broccolini actually. Salt in here, kosher salt. I'm going quick and easy on this recipe because I worked out and I'm starving now. So I will be making a sweet and sour tofu and vegetable with a pre-made sauce from my favorite place, Trader Joe's. Yum. So we'll add that in for flavor. Okay, now we can throw in our tofu. Give that a stir. You could probably add more oil, but I'm doing light on the oil. It really helps to air fry the tofu beforehand. Okay, and now just going to taste the broccolini for salt, although we're going to add a sweet sauce. Okay. I think I am going to add just a little bit more oil. Just a little. So that we get the broccoli nice and okay. And now we're going to add in our lovely sauce. Not too much, just a little bit. To give it some flavor. And you want to turn your wok off at this time so that the sugars do not burn from the sweet sauce. And there you have it. Quick stir fry, and I'll pair that with some white rice. Bon appetit, everyone! Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, and have a great day.